Windows are more than just panes of glass. They're essential to the comfort, energy efficiency, and overall security of your home. For Laurel homeowners, upgrading or replacing windows is a smart investment, especially when done by experienced professionals. Whether you're dealing with drafty, outdated frames or preparing for changing seasons, one thing remains clear: trusting professional window installers makes all the difference. Here's why homeowners in Laurel consistently choose trained window experts for their home improvement projects, and why you should, too. Precision and expertise you can count on. Installing windows isn't just about fitting glass into a wall opening. It requires exact measurements, structural understanding, and expert techniques to ensure a proper fit. Professional window installers bring years of hands-on experience and training to every project. They know how to work with different window styles, home designs, and construction materials common in Laurel. When you hire professionals, you can trust that the installation will be done correctly the first time, reducing the risk of costly repairs, drafts, leaks, and energy inefficiencies down the line. Code compliance and warranty protection. Window installation in Laurel must comply with local building codes and regulations. Professional installers are familiar with these requirements and ensure that every aspect of the job, from structural support to glass ratings, meets or exceeds code. Additionally, many window manufacturers offer warranties that are only valid when the product is installed by a certified professional. This means that by hiring an expert, you not only ensure a safe and accurate installation but also protect your investment with a valid product warranty. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Laurel's seasonal climate, from cold winters to hot, humid summers, means your windows play a major role in regulating your home's indoor temperature. Poorly installed windows can create air leaks that lead to higher heating and cooling bills. Professional installers use the latest techniques and sealing methods to ensure your windows are airtight and energy efficient. They can also recommend Energy Star rated products that help maintain indoor comfort and lower your monthly utility costs. Over time, this can lead to significant savings and a greener footprint. Tailored advice and custom solutions. Every home in Laurel is unique, from historic properties with charm and character to modern builds with sleek finishes. Professional window installers provide personalized recommendations that match your home's architectural style, energy needs, and budget. Whether you need double-hung windows for ventilation, picture windows for scenic views, or impact-resistant options for added security, a professional will help you choose the right product and design a custom solution that enhances your home's aesthetics and functionality. Time and stress saving. Window replacement might seem like a straightforward DIY task, but it can quickly become overwhelming without the right tools or knowledge. When you work with professionals, you avoid the guesswork and frustration that often come with self-installation. Experienced installers handle the entire process efficiently, from removal of old windows and cleanup to precise installation and final inspection. This means you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your upgraded windows without the mess or stress. Reliable results and long-term value. Laurel homeowners trust professional window installers because of the quality and reliability they bring to every project. A window that's installed properly looks better, performs better, and lasts longer. By choosing an experienced local installer, you gain peace of mind knowing your home is in good hands. Plus, well-installed windows add curb appeal, increase property value, and improve overall home safety, an investment that pays off in multiple ways. Final thoughts. When it comes to something as important as your windows, don't leave it to chance. Laurel homeowners continue to trust professional window installers because they deliver lasting results, expert service, and superior comfort. If you're ready to enhance your home's energy efficiency, beauty, and value, consider working with a trusted window professional in Laurel. You'll be glad you did, for your wallet, your comfort, and your peace of mind.